Hey everybody, I am going to share with you guys how I display my scrapbook layouts, projects, how I store my cards, and what I do with probably 99% of my finished projects. I get asked a lot what I do with them, so I thought I'd share with you guys in a video. So first off, I think the main question I get is, because my layouts are so bulky and dimensional, what do I do with them? So most of them, to be honest, go in boxes and I store them that way. But for my most recent layouts, or like my favorite ones, I will display in these 12 by 12 frames. And this is from Prima. I'm not exactly sure if they still sell them, but I will link it in the description if they do. But I take the glass out, and then that way, you know, all of this can be displayed really nicely. It doesn't really get too dusty. I switch them out quite often, so I'm not really worried about the dust or anything like that. So that is my layouts, and like I said, I store most of them in boxes. I try not to create with boundaries or limitations, so that's why a lot of times things don't, you know, my scrapbook layouts don't go in a traditional album, and that's okay with me. I'm not creating so that, you know, 100 years down the line people can look through a scrapbook. You know, I'm creating for right now. It's fun for me, and hopefully in the future my kids will enjoy the layouts. So anyways, all right, so here is a place that definitely needs to be organized a little bit better, but I will share my plans for that in just a second. But I kind of try to display a couple projects here when I can and when I have the room. But this is the recent altered wood piece that I did. I really like that one. So that's there. Whoops, you guys can see me in the reflection. All right, so my cards I store and take it out in one of these. So I have all my cards here, and I can flip through them. My mom comes and kind of goes through them. So that's really nice to have. I definitely need to send out more cards, but that's where I have my cards. And I do normally have them in sleeves like this, and then I'll put an envelope with them so that they're ready to go, but I've been pretty lazy about that lately. All right, so we're gonna pan around this way to over here. Hopefully I'm not gonna make you guys sick. I'm trying to go slow. All right, so I have a couple cards here. Not for any particular reason. I made them. I just honestly was too lazy to put them in the bin. But I do have a couple projects up here. These are a little bit wider shelves. They're from IKEA. And I do only have one row of Distress Oxide sprays up there. So I'm able just to display a couple of projects. So this is my altered book. This is a altered horn that I created a video for my channel members. And yeah, so that is that. That's, I don't know, kind of a makeshift store or display place. I do have a couple more shelves that I want to put up here above there, so I'm gonna have to figure out, because I don't want them that far apart, or that high up. Anyways, so yeah, so hopefully I can get my husband to do that today, and then I will make a full craft room video for you guys. It's pretty much done. I just need, you know, little things here and there. I'm very minimalistic. I'm not that much of an organized person, so yeah, and people have been asking me how it's coming along, and so I definitely want to get that video up for you guys. This is weird talking to the camera instead of doing a voiceover. All right, we're going to pan around up here and show you guys. So up here I want shelves so I can display my projects and kind of like my obsession with Marvel, Star Wars, Harry Potter, all of that sort of thing, Disney. I have tons of stuff back there. But yeah, so that's gonna go up there. Well, I didn't even show you guys up there. And I think our ceilings are 9 feet tall, so I definitely have a lot of space. They might be 10 feet. I don't remember exactly. I know my husband knows, but yeah, they're pretty tall. So I have a lot of wall space, which is weird because it's weird putting stuff on the walls because we rented for so long. So I'm gonna pan around this way, and then over here I want more shelves as well so I can display some more projects and things like that. So again, really tall ceilings. But yeah, that is going to be it. Hopefully I answered some questions. I don't know if I gave you guys any ideas or anything like that, but I know I get asked a lot, so I thought I'd just make a short little video for you guys. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the box. So I'm gonna pan around here. So this is one of the boxes where I store some projects. So it's definitely not ideal, but for now it works. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Believe it or not, 60% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you are one of those, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And also leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite organizational tip, because I definitely need some. So, all right, I will catch you guys later. Bye.